Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the world of automobiles and powersports. Today, we're taking a look at a classic cruiser reborn for the modern age, the 2026 Honda Shadow 750. Known for its smooth ride, timeless style, and bulletproof reliability, the Shadow has been a staple in Honda's lineup for decades. The latest iteration refines everything riders love while adding a touch of modern tech and updated styling. Let's dive into what makes this iconic middleweight cruiser feel fresh again for 2026. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Shadow 750 keeps its signature cruiser silhouette but updates it with a sleeker, more refined appearance. The tank has been reshaped for a cleaner look, while chrome accents have been tastefully reduced in favor of satin finishes and matte paint options. The new LED headlamp, turn signals, and taillight are seamlessly integrated into the bike's retro-modern profile. A lower seat height, wider bars, and minimalist fenders all come together to deliver a more stripped-back, purposeful style that echoes the custom scene while retaining factory polish and finish. Performance and powertrain. Underneath the classic styling, the 2026 Shadow 750 is powered by a time-tested 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. Known for its smooth, low-end torque and relaxed cruising character, the engine has been fine-tuned for cleaner emissions and slightly improved fuel economy. The 5-speed transmission remains buttery smooth, delivering laid-back power through a shaft drive system that's low maintenance and built to last. Suspension has been updated for a more planted ride, with a revised rear shock setup for better comfort on long hauls and improved handling at low speeds. Safety and technology. Honda has subtly integrated modern tech into the Shadow's classic form. A new LCD display replaces the traditional gauge cluster, offering basic info like speed, fuel level, and gear position in a compact format. ABS is now standard for added safety, and new LED lighting ensures visibility on the road. A USB charging port and optional smart key system give riders added convenience while maintaining the Shadow's focus on simplicity and ease of use. It's not overloaded with gadgets, just the essentials done right in true cruiser fashion. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Shadow 750 continues to do what it's always done best: offer a reliable, stylish, and comfortable ride with enough personality to make it your own. With tasteful updates in styling, tech, and ride quality, it remains one of the best entry to mid-level cruisers on the market. Whether you're riding solo through scenic highways or cruising through town on the weekend, the Shadow 750 delivers classic vibes with modern confidence. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more news, reviews, and deep dives into the bikes that keep the spirit of the road alive.